Ever looked at your bank account after payday and wondered where all your money went? Bills, rent, groceries, the list is endless, right? Now, imagine a tool that could magically handle all that for you, leaving you with more time to enjoy life and less time stressing over numbers. That tool is called Relay Payments. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. First off, what is Relay Payments? It's a financial platform designed to automate your finances. Think of it as your personal financial assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to manage your money. But how does this magic happen? At the heart of Relay is something called account aggregation. This fancy term simply means connecting all your financial accounts, your bank, credit cards, investment accounts into one central place. It's like gathering all your financial puzzle pieces and putting them on one table. This gives Relay a complete picture of your financial life. Once your accounts are connected, Relay gets to work analyzing your spending habits. It's like a detective looking for patterns in your financial behavior. Where does your money go? What are your regular expenses? By understanding your spending, Relay can start to make intelligent decisions. The next step is budgeting. Based on your income and expenses, Relay creates a budget tailored to your financial goals. It's like setting a spending plan. You tell Relay what you want to save for a new car, a vacation, or a down payment on a house, and it helps you allocate funds accordingly. Now, here comes the automation part. Relay can schedule automatic payments for your bills. No more late fees or forgotten due dates. You set it up once, and Relay takes care of the rest. It's like having a personal assistant paying your bills on time, every time. But it doesn't stop there. Relay can also help you save money. It identifies areas where you can cut back and suggests ways to save. For example, it might point out that you're spending too much on eating out and recommend meal prepping instead. Saving is great, but growing your money is even better. Relay can help you invest. It offers investment options based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's like having a financial advisor who understands your needs. Security is a major concern when dealing with finances. Relay takes security very seriously. Your financial data is encrypted and protected by the latest security measures. You can rest assured that your money is safe. So, how do you get started with Relay? It's usually pretty straightforward. You create an account, connect your financial institutions, and let Relay do its magic. Most platforms offer mobile apps, so you can manage your finances on the go. But remember, while Relay is a powerful tool, it's not a magic wand. You still need to be involved in managing your finances. Regular check-ins to review your budget, spending habits, and investment performance are essential. Relay is a financial tool that can significantly improve your financial well-being. By automating your finances, helping you budget, save, and invest, Relay can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.